Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I am doing absolutely fine. So if you are new here and looking at this face for the first time, hi, my name is Charanya and this is my channel Shima Beauty and Style. I do videos related to beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested into such content, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. So today I'm going to share 6 beautiful lipsticks and beautiful shades that are actually perfect for a dusky skin tone, and all these lipsticks will retail under 250 to 300 rupees. So the max budget is 250 on a sale price, but if I take the accurate pricing it will be around 300. So without talking much, let's get into the video and see these beautiful lipsticks for you beautiful souls. So the first lipstick I'm going to talk about is the Elatin Colourpop lipstick. So this one is in the shade W11 Cherry Rose. That's the current shade I'm wearing today. So this comes in 30 different shades. You can try test out, have a lot of fun with these different shades. These are very pigmented. They are not as long lasting as a whole day, but yes, this can last up to a half a day depending upon your day-to-day activities. So the product retails at 100 rupees if you're buying it offline, but if you're buying it on online stores like Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, you can get this at 75 rupees. So it's your choice. You want to go out buy in the drugstores, or you can go ahead buy it online. But this is my favorite go-to lipstick, like for the daily purpose. It's a bit darker on this other hand. I know it's a little darker. I'll show you. So see, this is the shade. So very dark color. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is the NY Bae. This is a very beautiful lipstick again. This one retails for 127 and I am having the shade 7. This is the Poetic Patricia. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but yeah. So this is a very purplish pink shade. It's a more of purple shade. So see, it's a very new lipstick. I bought it recently on the sale. So this had costed me around 95 rupees and I had buy one get one free offer also. So this was around 2 to 3 months ago that I have purchased this, and it's a beautiful shade. I love the shade, but the only drawback is it has a tint of smell which is very unpleasant, and sometimes when you over exceed it, maybe I feel that smell. Otherwise it's totally fine. That is only with this shade. I have taken another shade also from NY Bae, and this is the shade number 2, and this one is fabulous. This does not have any smell or any tint of that unpleasantness, but only the shade 7 is having that. I don't know why. I have to figure that out. So this lipstick comes in 22 shades. You can select any shade you like. You can go ahead, experiment. So the next lipstick again is from the NY Bae. This is the shade 2, which I have shown earlier in the comparison, and this is also a very beautiful pink shade. So this is how the shade looks. It's a very bright color and it looks very flawless on the skin, and it's very creamy. This does not last for like a whole day, but it will last for a couple of hours, like a half a day. For me, I wear it to office, so this will come for a half a day, and yes, it's a very thumbs on lipstick. This one also retails for 125 and at a good offer rate you can get somewhere till 90. You can find this always on purple.com. There is a lot of sales going on purple.com. Recently I guess the sale has ended. The beauty sale is the summer beauty sale, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is the NY Bay Runaway. So this is another lipstick I'm having from NY Bay, and look at the packaging, guys. The packaging is so beautiful. It has that golden metallic look towards it, and that actually caught my eye. I did not see the review and I purchased it, but I do not regret purchasing this product. I bought a nude shade in this, and this is the only nude lipstick I am currently having. So this is in the shade Peekaboo 9, and it's a beautiful nude shade. So this is how the lipstick looks. So I have worn this lipstick in one of my makeup tutorials. If you have not seen that tutorial, I will link it down on the top so that you can just go ahead and look at the tutorial. This one retails for 175 rupees, and you can get it around 150 to 160 rupees around. And this is also available on purple.com. I am not sure on other websites. So this lipstick comes in 20 different shades, and you can go around experiment with these 20 shades. It's very beautiful colors, and this lipstick is very creamy in texture, and it glides on your lips very softly like butter. And I do not believe that this is for like 175 rupees for such good formulation. This lipstick lasts for around a day, and so depends upon your day-to-day activities. But for me, I go to office, so this one lasts like the whole day. It will be very subtle on your face. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is the Maybelline New York lipstick. This is in the shade 641 Pink My Red. It's a beautiful shade. It is a pinkish red shade. It's not a pink, not a red. It's somewhere in the between. It's a mixture, and the fusion is so nice. These are all creamy matte lipsticks, and yes, it stays for the whole day. It stays more than 24 hours because I've been using this for a long time, and this is like my second lipstick I have purchased from Maybelline itself, and it's a beautiful shade. This comes in 30 different shades. You can go ahead purchase your favorite shades at a very good deal. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is also from the Maybelline New York. This is in the shade 634 Bold Crimson. It's a beautiful lipstick. I have used this lipstick a lot. As you can see, the lipstick is almost done. It's a deep red shade, and it's so creamy in texture, so creamy. Touch wood, it's a very beautiful lipstick. And it's a deep red rather than a brighter red, and this one also is very good for dusky skin type. So this one also retails for 299, and you can get it on a good deal around 250 to 260 rupees on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and I am not sure about Purple. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like my video, share it to the loved ones whom you want to share this information, and do comment down in the comment section. And wait, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. So until next time, keep shining. Bye.